Hi, I'm John Luchko, Director of the Great Lakes Water Studies Institute at Northwestern Michigan College. If water is your passion, whether it's protecting its quality or using cutting-edge technology to explore its depths and unlock its mysteries, you're in the right place. The Great Lakes Water Studies Institute offers 3 dynamic degree paths: Freshwater Studies, Marine Technology, and Water Quality and Environmental Technology. But what truly sets us apart? Our location. We're right on the shores of Lake Michigan, part of the Great Lakes, the largest freshwater system on Earth. Here, the lake isn't just a view, it's your classroom, your lab, and your inspiration. While you're here, you'll be out on the water, working hands-on with industry-leading technology, gaining the experience and skills that today's employers demand. Our programs are built for the real world, so when you graduate, you won't just be prepared, you'll be in demand, ready to tackle critical challenges and make a lasting impact. If this sounds like the future that you want, let's talk. I'd love to help you get started.